Here we have for sale our January 2024 on a 73 plate Ford Transit Custom. This is a 300 model, which means it's got a 3-ton gross vehicle weight. This has got the 2-litre EcoBlue Euro 6 diesel engine producing 136 PS, which is roughly 136 brake horsepower. This is the L2 long wheelbase limited van, finished in the fantastic metallic magnetic grey. And what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. We'll show you the spec that you get on a Ford Transit Custom Limited of this age. We'll also talk you through the full styling enhancements which we've carried out during our preparation, and also the fantastic conversion that has been done in the back as well. Starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is spec'd with rear barn doors. So barn doors, 2 doors which open in that sort of fashion. On a Limited, of course, you get a number of elements which come colour-coded. That includes things like the door handles, bumpers, mirror caps, all come colour-coded, which in this case is, as I say, metallic magnetic grey. You'll also see these little dimples on the door handles. That tells us that the van has keyless entry. It also has keyless start as well. So a very modern feeling van. You can have your keys in your pocket. You can walk up to it, pull on the handle, and it will open for you. And then when you walk away, press your finger on one of those little dimples and it will lock the van for you as well. So as a very modern feeling van to live with day to day. Now, some nice styling enhancements that have been carried out here at the back. So we've got the gloss black rear spoiler, and down the bottom we've also got this very nice gloss black lower splitter there as well, which ties in with the rest of the low line kit, which are things like the side skirts and the front splitter also, which I'll show you in a bit more detail as we go around. There's a little bit of water on here. It has been raining pretty much non-stop, so it got a little break in the weather to do the video here. But we can also see while we're down here, we've got parking sensors nicely integrated into the rear bumper, and you've also got the reversing camera just there as well, which all comes standard on the Limited model. If we open up the rear doors, then we can start to have a look inside the back of the van. This is where, as I say, it is far from standard in here. There's been a fantastic conversion carried out, which we have had arranged during, as I say, our preparation and readiness for sale. But if we open the doors right out to their full 180 degree position, this then gives you a fantastic look inside the back of the van. So the first thing to note, full carpet lining. So the rear doors, inside the back here, the head lining, all of this has been done, as I say, with a fantastic carpet lining job, as you can see there. And also I really like the detail on the side with these nice contours as well, which just add a bit of texture. I think really does set it off very, very nicely indeed. The wheel arches as well have, of course, been done. And then we have got this brilliant black Altro non-slip flooring in the back with this really nice threshold here. And this is a really hard-wearing and, as I say, non-slip flooring. It's the type of floor that you get in camper van conversions. But yeah, I think works very, very well in this setting. And then, of course, we've got these 3 individual seats here in the back. And what I love with these is that they are so versatile. You can remove each of these seats individually. They're actually on rails as well, so you can slide them backwards and forwards. We'll show you how that works a little bit later on. And using these tabs, which you see here, you can fold them down, you can recline them, or you can completely remove them. You can fold them up and remove them. You'll see the center seat as well has a couple of cup holders there, so if you fold that center one down, you've then got a couple of cup holders just there also as well. But a fantastic space here in the back as well, being long wheelbase. So you've still got, even with those seats in the back, you've still got room in here for, you know, even a mountain bike, all sorts of things in the back. But as I say, with these particular seats, the factory Ford seats on those rails, you can slide those seats right forward to give you even more load space in the back if you wanted to, or if you wanted even more than that, you can remove them completely. And as I say, that's why I love this conversion so much, is that it just gives you all of that versatility. In these videos, if you're familiar with our videos, you'll know that I would usually be talking around the condition of the vehicle. So I'd be looking in these reflections here, looking for any stone chips or marks, but this vehicle literally has delivery miles. There's 200 odd miles on this van, so it is as new. There is no marks on it. It is absolutely as new. Everything's original. It's never had any paint work or anything like that, of course. It is as new condition. It's very, very nice indeed. And a rare opportunity. On a 73 plate, we actually bought this vehicle and the company that it was registered to, brand new, have gone into liquidation. Hence, it's never been used. And as I say, a really rare opportunity to buy a vehicle like this with delivery miles at quite a big discount from what it would be if it was on a newer plate. But of course, you've still got the balance of manufacturer's warranty until January of 2027 for peace of mind mechanically as well. Have a look in the back then. This gives us a first look at these rear seats from this angle. And as I say, the beauty of these, as I say, not only can you fold them down, but as you can see on these rails here, you can pull on this handle and you can slide these seats backwards and forwards. They actually go further forward than that again if you want to. But as you can see, they easily slide backwards and forwards, which is very, very nice indeed. You've also got ISOFIX compatibility across the 3 seats. Of course, you can adjust these headrests up as well. And then simply by pulling on that little handle just there, or by pulling on that tab, you can fold them down as easy as that. And then by pulling on this tab just here, pulling on that, it releases the seat from the floor, it folds forward, and you can remove the seat altogether completely. So really, as I say, very, very versatile setup, and gives you lots of options there in the back of the van. You've got, of course, 2 side opening windows on the side of the van, and they leave the lower part of the bulkhead in there as well, which just neatens up the base of those seats. Opening up the passenger door then, having a look inside here, again, as new condition, and of course it's set up as a 3-seater there in the front, so 6 seats in total, but as I say, you can remove any of those individually as you would like. Now, in terms of servicing, we have actually put this vehicle, even though it's done delivery miles, we have actually put this vehicle through our van specialist workshop, which is Bridgend Van Care. So because it is now 2 years old, we have actually done a service on this vehicle to keep it up with the recommended servicing intervals, so that it keeps your manufacturer's warranty going as it should do. So as I say, it's actually had a fresh service, even though it has only done 200 miles. And of course, checked it all out. There's, of course, as to be expected, nothing to find. It's all as new. Having a look here then, brand new set of Calibre CV-3 gloss black 20-inch alloy wheels. These have been fitted, fully load rated, of course, with load rated tyres. Absolutely love this alloy wheel design. I think it sets it off very, very well. We've grown very, very fond of these. A nice set of side skirts have been added. The front splitter here around the front, as you can see there, that has been added, and also the gloss black canards, and then the black honeycomb grille just there. Forward LED lights, as you can see there, which gives you this very nice LED daytime running light and a much better performing headlight than the previous generation Ford Transit Custom. But yeah, beautiful condition, of course, being literally as new. And as I say, a rare opportunity, because this is offered at a discount from what would be, if this was a 75 or 26 plate van, it would be significantly more than what we have got this advertised at. And you can see there, 337 miles recorded from brand new. Inside here then, you've got that virtual dashboard, that over 11-inch display screen in the center, which you've got DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, and you've also got wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto on there as well. And all along the bottom of the screen, this is where you've got your controls for things like your heated seats, your climate control, you've got your heated front windscreen, heated door mirrors, air conditioning. All of that is along the bottom of the screen. 6-speed manual gearbox to go along with that 136 PS engine. On the left hand side then, you've got your adaptive cruise control settings. On the right hand side, you've got your onboard computer controls just here. But yeah, in terms of condition, it's so nice seeing them like this. The steering wheel is still completely matte. Driver's seat is all absolutely as new. Got your driver's armrest, which is on a ratchet there, so you can set that to your desired height. You've got a couple of USBs under here, 12-volt socket as well. And of course, the all-important hidden cup holder just there also as well. As I mentioned, 2 full remote keys come with the vehicle as well, and I say with that, keyless entry and keyless start. So just to summarize then, a January 2024 on a 73 plate delivery miles van, 300 model, so 3-ton gross vehicle weight, 2-litre EcoBlue Euro 6 diesel engine, 136 PS, L2 long wheelbase limited with a full styling package on it, as you can see, and that brilliant Tourneo rear seat conversion in the back of there with full carpet lining, that brilliant Altro non-slip flooring, the LED spotlights in the new headlining as well. It is a brilliant conversion. We absolutely love it, how versatile that is. It can be used for work, you can use it as a family vehicle, really a combination of everything if you want to. It has just freshly been serviced, so you've got the balance of manufacturer's warranty until the end of January of 2027. If you'd like to see the full advert, if you haven't seen it already, I'd urge you to head over to our website there, bridgendvans.co.uk. That's where you'll find the price, the description and the photography of this van, and of course all of the others that we've currently got advertised. We can deliver our vehicles nationwide, so if you're not local to us here in South Wales, we can deliver this vehicle directly to you. We can also arrange finance at very competitive rates, whether that be for a limited company, a private individual, sole trader. We can arrange finance, as I say, at very competitive rates, subject to acceptance and status. And we can also take cars or vans in part exchange as well. Thank you very much for watching.